I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Hello fellow nerds and crafters. Today I'm working on this bird card holder for my table for markets. I don't normally make things for myself, but this was too good to pass up. I needed something to hold my cards, and this looks just like my black lorry bird. So I'm going to take carbon black as the main color of the bird, and then these three other colors in deep magenta, sky blue, and banana shake, all from just resin. I want the colorful colors just in the tail and the black the all over color for the bird. So I'm just going to start with the colorful colors and just place them on top of each other in the tail. Once I have one of each of those colors in, I'm going to go in with the black so that it doesn't come out of the tail too much. And then I'll go back to filling up the tail again. And I'll just swap back and forth between the tail colors and the body color until the mold is all filled up. Once this was pretty much full, I moved it to the pressure pot where I finished filling it up, but unfortunately disaster struck again and my shelf fell down again and I lost some resin. Since this was just for myself though, I decided not to put another coat of resin and have to wait again. I'm just going to knock off the sharp pieces at the back, and it can be very slightly thinner than it's supposed to be. This mold was also a little bit tough to remove. I was worried I was going to rip it at some point. Thankfully, it did not rip. As you can see, there's like a dip from not having enough resin, but I can fix that up. It came out fantastic. That is not what I meant to do at the front, but it looks awesome, and I'm very pleased with it. I only had one bubble, which is kind of behind the scenes, so I'm just gonna fill that up with some UV resin so that nobody gets scratched while taking a card or anything. The cards would just sit in the bird like this. I'm going to take this Artistro acrylic dual tip markers and I'm going to take the one in white and I'm going to color in the eye. Here's some finished photos. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye!